In this video, we'll start with the demo. I assume you have Eclipse and Java installed. If you need help with either, feel free to ask in the comment section. The first line in the program denotes comments. Comments are ignored by the compiler but are useful to other programmers for understanding the code. Java supports three types of comments: single line comment, multi line comment, and documentation comment. The class in this example is named Hello World App. In Java, the class name should match the file name. Main method. This serves as the entry point for your application. It is responsible for invoking all other required methods in the program. Java allows public and static modifiers to be written in any order. However, the convention is to use public static as shown here. Command line arguments. The string array allows the runtime system to pass information to your application. Each string in the array is a command line argument, enabling users to influence the program's behavior without recompiling it. This line prints "Hello World" to standard output using Java's code library. Let's run the program. As expected, it prints "Hello World."